Yes, guys, we are entering into Django sessions today onwards. Everybody, you are waiting for this? Audio is clear, everyone? Right. So Django installation, Django configuration. So are you attending these classes, HTML, CSS, JavaScript free sessions? Yeah, first session today completed. All of you guys are attending that. Right, guys. Remaining members? Very good. Shall I start? Django framework. Hope everybody you are having Python idea. Hope everybody you are having Python idea. Quickly respond. Right. So already Django introductory part I completed. So more parts we can try to observe the things. Right, guys. So define statement is type of logical instruction. Define command is a pre-compiled or an executable program. Collection of commands is called a shell. Collection of logical instructions or statements is called a program. I think these definitions commonly you people knows. Software, types of softwares, application software. I think no need to discuss about operating system, types of operating systems. If you want to see all these basics, just go to here and you can enter here Unix by me and you are getting a lot of resources. Audio is clear for you? Any problem in audio? No problem, it's clear. Okay, very good. You can try to watch those videos, you will get. Library, collection of pre-compiled routines. Framework is a platform, already explained about the framework. Right, once again, what is a statement? Logical instruction. Command, an executable program. Shell means collection of commands is called a shell. Anybody who heard the name of the shell? Anybody who heard the name of the shell? Name of the shell? Right, define program, collection of logical instructions or statements. Define software. Types of softwares also available. Okay. All these are just basics, my dears, not related to any Django. Don't worry about that. System software, application software. System software means what? Operating systems, utility. Anybody know utilities? Any of you guys who are having utilities idea? Utility means a built-in program like format, copy, disk copy. All these are comes under utilities. Format, copy, disk copy, like their commands, defragmentation. Anybody heard the name? Fragmentation. So all these are comes under utility softwares. Application software designed to perform group of coordinated functions, tasks or activities for the benefit of the user. Operating system. It is a system software that manages computer hardware and software resources. Computer hardware and software resources. Everybody, you need to get into things here. Right. How many types of operating systems available? How many types of operating systems available? 3 types: single user, single tasking, single user multitasking, multi-user multitasking. Very popular, all these are. So what is single user, single tasking, single user multitasking, multi-user multitasking means? Please try to watch my videos, you will get. But Django level, these are doesn't require. So let's move forward. Clear the terms. Clear the terms, everyone. Right, very good. Library, collection of programs or a compiled program. Library also. Framework is a platform. Now I'll show you what about this framework. Now we are learning about the web application framework or web framework. It is server-side application framework. It is designed to support development of dynamic websites. Development of dynamic websites. What are the popular stacks? See, I think already explained to you stacks. You remember Django or demo time explained to you already stacks. Merge stack, main stack, lamp stack, lamp stack. Django is the first place. Do you remember, everyone? Already explained these kind of stacks. What is the meaning of stack? Come on, everyone. Come on. Django level. Main stack, mon stack, lamp stack, lamp. Yes. Full stack JavaScript developer means you can go with this. Client level, what available? HTML, CSS, JavaScript, jQuery, all these are. And server level Node.js. Backend is MongoDB. Full stack JavaScript developer. Nowadays, good demand is there. First place Django only. First place Django only, but more demand also is there. Full stack JavaScript. Clear that? Full stack JavaScript developer. What are the prerequisites for that one? Front end level, middle level, back end level. Node.js, anybody heard the name? Relational Database Management System, RDBMS. Relational Database Management System. Small questions you can use Google, my dear, no problem. Google will give you clear-cut answers, everything, RDBMS, DBMS, HTML, all these things. It's never done. No need to type here. Clear full stack JavaScript developers. Right. Python frameworks are there. How many types of Python frameworks already explained in demo time? Demo time already explained you Python, 2 types of frameworks. Do we remember, remaining members who already attended our demo sessions? Explained to you micro frameworks, full stack frameworks. Micro frameworks, full stack frameworks. The micro framework is nothing but referring minimalistic, means we can develop without backend. So Flask is nowadays very powerful micro framework. Full stack level, Django is very powerful framework. Front end, back end, like that. Front end level, what are the technologies existing? But you people should be perfect, my dears. HTML, CSS, JavaScript. These 3 enough for you, for Django. I'll take the sessions of Flask also, 1 or 2 sessions I'll take. If you know Django, Flask is dead easy for you. Clear cut, everybody? The things are clear for you. Just theoretical things, all these are. Just I'm giving overview. Backend level, what we are using? Python, Django, SQLite. So by default database, my dears, Python level. Anybody you studied which database in Python programming level? Python programming level, which database you studied? Anybody? Python programming level, which database you studied? MySQL, SQLite, Oracle. Very good. MongoDB. Okay, various databases you studied. Excellent. Very good. Backend, we are having these things. We are using Python here. Java, PHP, ASP, other levels also we can use. Frameworks level, Django. JSF, Struct, Spring, MVC, Flask, Pyramid, like this. Database level, SQLite, Oracle, MySQL, MongoDB, like that. Right? Full stack frameworks level. Right, I'll show you definitely in our programming level. These are full stack web frameworks level examples. Define Django, already provided. Django is Python's MVT web framework. Already explained to you MVT. Anybody remember MVT? Any of you guys remember MVT? What is MVT? Model View Template. Model means what I said, what I explained to you, model. database, backend. View means Python coding, logical part. Python coding, logical part. Template. What is the meaning of template? Explain. Template means completely front end. Any new members you joined today's session, or anybody who joined last few sessions are not there, please try to watch my videos available already in Naresh Shetty channel. Just go to Google and type that. You are getting a lot of videos. What is that one? Django by me. Are you observing new members? Observing? Django videos available, mainly new members I'm talking. Mainly new members I'm talking. Right. Are you there? Are you observing my screen? Very good, right. So now Django level various definitions I provide already. All the definitions meaning only one. Finally, Django is commercial purpose or open source. Django is commercial purpose or open source. Completely open source, free of cost. So Django is very powerful web framework from Python to coding. Right. Who developed already explained to you? Do you remember who developed Django? Already explained. Yes, explained you already. What that one? Adrian and Simon. These two members developed web frameworks, and they dedicated to a famous guitarist in United States. What that one? Django Reinhardt. Django Reinhardt. Python web frameworks. Shall I move forward? There are different frameworks available, already explained to you. See how many number of frameworks are there in Python. Very good. Django, TurboGear, Spylon, Job. See how many number of frameworks are there. Right, next one, Django popularity. Based on Django, how many number of websites available you can observe? Based on Django, nowadays there are a lot of huge, big list of websites are there. Anybody you heard the names of Django related websites? Anybody you heard the names of Django related websites? Right, yes, Netflix also, correct. Django versions history. So latest version, what available, how these are existed means you people need to understand the things here. Next level. Django features already explained to you. Do you remember? Django features also explained. I'll show you practically today onwards all these features. Main feature ORM. Anybody heard the name? Object Relational Mapper. ORM is nothing but anybody you are having idea SQL? Anybody you are having idea SQL? Come on, quickly you can ping in the chat box. SQL you are having idea? Yeah, SQL no need to write here. Here also SQL is there, but you no need to write any programming. Any commands you people no need to remember in SQL here. How that is working out, I'll show you practically. Okay, that is ORM. MVT already said rapid development because of number of built-in features. It is rapid development. It is ultimate level. It is ultimate level existed. Right, the next one. Security wise, super. I'll show you what is cross-site request forgery also to you, definitely. Scalable and open source. All these features will observe practically. Django features already explained to you. Don't think all these words are is not speaking. We'll see practically all these words. Right. You want to observe all these features, just visit official website djangoproject.com. Once you are going to djangoproject.com, you are getting all the resources here. Observing here. Learn more about Django. Ridiculously fast, fully loaded, reassuringly secured, exceedingly scalable, incredibly versatile. There are many resources available here. Already explained. So Django, MVT explained to you. Observe everybody. MVT already explained. You are clear or not? MVT already explained to you. You are clear or not? You can check it once. Right. See MVC meaning. What exactly MVC? What exactly MVT? Difference I wrote very clearly. MVC level also backend only. MVT will also backend only. Model. Both levels same. MVC, MVT, both are same. View, here different, here view different. Here controller different, here template different. Check it. Read please, understand. I'll show you practically these things, don't worry. Check it. MVC, MVT. Any doubt theoretically you can tell me. Come on, respond everybody. A little bit active, my dears. If you are quickly or responding, we'll go to practical area. So Django architecture, pick we can try to observe. Observe everyone. Django architecture. Come on, everyone. First, HTTP request, you should concentrate. Once you are entering a request, it is going to URLs pattern. Then once URL is existed, then what is happening? Let's go forward to logic level. It is checking Python coding logic. As per the logic, it should go to backend, means it is going to backend level. Taking the data from database. And responding with required designing on the screen is called HTTP response. So HTTP request, one level URLs, second level views available, third level models available, fourth level it is taking the template and it is responding fifth level. Are you following Django architecture, everyone? This total architecture you need to understand. After at least 5 Django projects, after you will get complete picture. I'll show you number of projects on Django level. At least 5 Django projects completed, then you will get complete picture on that one. No doubt, don't worry about that. Clear all these words, everyone? Come on, guys, quickly. First, you are requesting. Request is going to URLs level. Then it is going to URLs view. View means what? Logic available. So logic it is taking. Based on the logic, it is going to backend if required. If required. And it is taking the template. So based on that one, output is coming. Based on that one, it is output is coming. Excellent. So Django architecture level request existed, HTTP request. What is HTTP explained to you? Do you remember HTTP meaning? Not full form, the real meaning of HTTP. The real meaning of HTTP, do you have any idea? Right. HTTP is the common language between client and server. HTTP is the common language between client and server. It is requesting from browser going to logic level. Logic required means database required is going to database level, taking the data with the help of template, displaying output. Okay. So Django architecture level, I hope how many main points available? 5. Request going to URLs, then view. So URLs 1, view 1, model 1, template 1, and response is 1. So mainly 5 components existed here. Mainly 5 components existed here. So Django architecture is clear. Django web server is there. Python web server. I'll show you WSGI how to configure. Don't worry about that one. Web server gateway interface. In other programming languages level also server is available. Do you know? In Java level, what we are using generally web server in Java level, Tomcat we are using. .NET level, which web server we are using generally? Come on, .NET level, which web server we are using generally? Very good. So these are really powerful. Gateway is where exactly we are going to interact. Gateway. For example, where it is going to interact with the internet. Dheeraj will configure for the Django. Don't worry. So frameworks that we can, and all these frameworks are supporting WSGI. Django, Bobo, Bottle, Cherry Pie, Appear, Falcon, Flask, Turbo Gears, Pyramid, all these are. So all these are existed exclusively in Python coding level. So Python level, how many number of frameworks are there? You can check it. Okay. So Django introductory part. Django introductory part I provided. So I'm going to the practical area. But before I'm entering into practical area, shall I show how to install Django, everyone? Shall I start the practical session? Shall I start the practical session? Right. Now, just everybody knows about the pip in your Python level. You learned about pip in Python. You learned about pip in Python. Pip is a small command, and by using pip, what we can do? We can install our software. So anybody who doesn't have idea of pip, please, you can try to install with my get into things. It is a package manager. Pip list already is there or not? You want to see? Go to command prompt. Pip, just enter. That's it. Pip, just enter. That's it. Pip is there or not there in my system? You can tell me. Pip is there or not there in my system? Come on, tell me. Yes, pip is there in my system. All the things exist. Simple. You want to install pip, you can go with like this. Right. Pip commands available. So how to check pip installed or not? Go to command prompt and what you need to type? Go to command prompt and what we need to type? Just pip. Working or not with you, you can check it, guys. Working or not, you can check it, guys. In your system also, you can type and check it. Yes, check it, pip installed or not. Not installed already, pip commands I provided, you can try to install pip first. So like that coming, you can try to install like this. If anybody not working, please install like this. Go to Google and type get-pip.py and you can. I'm sending these notes, you can see and install pip. Come on everyone. Shall I show Django setup now? Every system level pip is existed or not existed, confirm to me. Pip existed or not existed, confirm to me. Very good. You can observe the things correctly. So pip problem is there. Tell me, my dear. Some people are saying pip is not existed. I'm asking those people. Right. No problem. Cool, Ranjit. You can try by seeing my commands. Don't worry. All the commands I provided, just go to Google first. What I said. See here, I said. Download first. Get-pp. Observing. Nagaraj, wait. Download that. And happily my videos you can try to watch, explain very clearly. Now, once pip is available, Django installation very simple. Go there, command pip install Django. My best suggestion for you, latest version never go. Industry always using latest version? No, industry always using one or two versions backward. What is the latest version in the industry right now? Right now, industry using 3 dot. But current version is what in the Django level? What is the current version in the Django level? 4 is available. But industry using which version? Three point, not 2 point. Himanshu, 3 point. Right. Pip install Django. Version you required means version also you can provide. For example, Django equal to you want particular version. Double equal. So you want 4 means 4.0. So if you are not giving any version by default, what will be installed? Yes. Latest version will be installed. Very good. So already installed. Pip show Django. Observe. Django installed or not installed in my system, you can tell me. In my system, Django exists or not? Yes, everyone. Any version, 3. 3 is the best one, 70. Already I said. 4 also no problem, but 3 is the best one. Industry using 3.0, 3.2.5, less than 4. So I said already, pip install Django equal to clear Shavanti, double equal to. Clear, other members? Django level, which one is the best? I'm using PyCharm. How to update version I given already here? Deepak, observe my comments. PyCharm is the best one. Anyone you can select, no problem. I'm using PyCharm. How many you know PyCharm, my dears? Please ping in the chat box. How many you know PyCharm? PyCharm is the best one. Right. Anyone is no problem, my dears. Anyone is best. No problem. So today I'm not creating any Django project. Today completely installation process. You have any doubt, try to watch my first, second, third videos in Django level. Okay. Guys, observing everything here. Don't delay, as early as possible installation completed. PyCharm installation also you can do. Cheryl, given Django. What you are giving? Django spelling correctly, you can type. Yes, upgrading already given means people also can upgrade. Already given people upgrades also here. Yes, upgrade Shavanti. What is there? All I provided to you. Himanshu, what happened? What happened, Himanshu? Right. Tomorrow onwards, I'm starting practical, not today. Why PyCharm version you are not using? Doesn't require any version. You can use PyCharm, my dear. Latest world. Ritesh, that is not that much important here. Clear? Every time version is not the matter here. Yes, you can. You can, same thing, Shavanti. Any one command you can try. Don't try all the commands. Any one you can do. Do we require this source for you? I'm giving Django introductory part and the notes of Django installation. Django. The first Django session notes I'm uploading here. Clear? Up to today, all the resources clear for you guys. Maximum you can try it. My videos are existed. You can try to watch my videos. Any question, please, you can put in the next session level. You can ask me revision also, I'll provide you. -M. Savanthi, you are typing wrong command, Savanthi. Try to observe my notes properly. Try to watch my notes properly. Don't be hurry. Cool first. Take your own time. Don't be hurry. All the commands perfectly provided. Right? Come on, my members, any question is there? Do you have any question? Please ping here. Cool. Install that. Install 3.8 Himanshu. Python 3.8 is the better. Don't do 3.10 Himanshu. 3.8 is better Python. Right? My name members. Yes, class is over. Today class is only installation part, Rudra. Any doubt tomorrow you can question me. Thank you. Bye. Good night. Tomorrow I'll start the practical sessions.